Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use less command to read large files on Linux. So first of all, in order to do it, of course, you have to open your terminal. So I will go into show apps and press on terminal in order to open it. And right here we can start to showing you guys how to use less command. The nice example where the less command will be very useful will be system logs, because they are really long, and without it it's basically very hard to read something from that file. So I will show you, maybe first of all with cat, how the system logs look like. So the path to the system logs is right here, and I will press enter. Of course, in order to display system logs, you have to use sudo, because you have to got administration permissions. So as you can see, it is really long. It's basically, we can't read anything from it. So that's why we will use less command, but again with sudo less, and again var log and syslog. We'll press enter, and as you can see, we have something like this. And how to use this less command? First of all, we can go down and up with the up and down arrow on our keyboard. That's very important. We can also use the space. We use space to go one page forward. So I will press space, space and space, and I will go one page forward, as you can see. To go back one page backward, we will use B. B letter on our keyboard. So B, 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 and right here I am at the beginning of our system logs. You can see the beginning is where we have this LP word. So I will press space and I will press B. As you can see, I'm again at the beginning. We can go at the end of the file. We can do it basically by pressing the big letter G on our keyboard. So we have to press Shift and G, and that will go to the end of the file. We can again test that. So I will go some page backwards. I will press the arrow in order to go backwards, and right here I will go to the end of the file by pressing the Shift and G on the keyboard. As you can see, I'm at the end. And how to go at the beginning? We have to basically press the normal G without Shift, so G, and I'm at the beginning. As you can see, we have this LP word. Again, I can go at the end, and it looks like this. Right now, I will show you how to search for a keyword, because we can do something like this. We can type in slash. As you can see, I have slash like this, and I can type something. So for example, maybe the terminal. I will type in terminal and press enter. And as you can see, I have displayed all the terminal words in this file. And how to basically go to next or the previous match. We can do it with the N key on our keyboard. The small n will go to the next match, and the big N with Shift will go to the previous match. So I will now press the big N with the Shift. So as you can see, I'm going back in this file. And when I will press the small n on my keyboard, I will go to the next match. And right now I'm at the beginning, because as you can see, my system logs ended. And in order to go back, we can press Q on our keyboard. So Q, that means we will go back. And maybe I will show you the option that we can use that is really useful, and it will show us how big really the system logs are, because we can use the option -n. That stands for the number of lines in our file. So if I press enter, as you can see, we have the number of lines. And again, we can go at the end of the file, as I said before, by pressing Shift and G on our keyboard. And as you can see, our system logs have almost, maybe not almost, but over 21,000 lines in total. So as you can see, it's really big, and it's really hard to read something without the last comment. And that will be basically all in this video. Again, we can go back with Q. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.